Good morning, everyone. So today is 28th of April, 2020, which is okay, which is number 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 4 is number 9. How perfect that can be on Tuesday, which is Mangal. It's Mars energy which is prevalent today. Mars means do exercise. Mars means do Hanuman Chalisa. Mars means doing something on your own with your hands and with your body. So shake your body a little bit. You can do dance also. So that could also be a kind of activity which you can be doing. So with the Mars energy on 28th of April 2020, I have segregated the cards into two parts. One is spirituality, other one is materialistic wealth. So let me take out cards from every kind. I have divided the tarot cards, keepers of light cards, and Archangel Michael card into two parts. So you need to choose whether you want a spirituality or you want the materialistic wealth. Okay, so let me take out one first card from the tarot, said what the spirituality is saying about this day today. Okay, so one card fell, which I will take. It's called number 3 of cups, which basically means celebrations, celebrating the joy of your soul, celebrating the joy of your life. Okay, so let's see how that celebration comes up from the your materialistic cards, from five elements, which we call, and this is the soul element, or your Param Purush or Satya Purush element. Okay, so that segregation is there. So first is the celebration card. So let me put it like this. Okay, first is celebration card. So the second card, which comes from the materialistic outlook of 28th of April 20, this card is the Emperor card. Look at the card difference. Okay, so this is the spirituality which is asking you for, means chalkao emotions, kind of this. You need to spread your positive emotions among everybody, at least 3 people. And here it is Emperor, who is alone and who is very harsh ruler. And Emperor card is number 4, and the spirituality card is number 3, which is the Guru, Jupiter, and number 4 is Rahu. Okay, this is what we are aware of every day. So let's talk about the spirituality once again. So what is the guidance from the spiritual cards? Okay, with okay, so let's see. The spirituality says again about the emotions. If you will celebrate your emotions, then you will be totally contentment, will be the yatra. It is card number 9, which basically says your Mars energy will be settled if you will dance. So I think dance is the key for today, exercise and dance. And if we talk about these cards, Emperor, so Emperor, okay, let me just segregate it. So Emperor here. So Emperor, let's talk about Emperor. What Emperor exactly asking you to do? Okay, so it's career. It's again Mars energy, but look at the difference of the Mars energies between the two. It's more of an emotional yatra, with your bhakti and Bairag, and these are the materialistic yatra, which is like your career. Okay, so something new is starting in your career. So now let's talk about the third card, which is from your positive cards or your spirituality cards. Like everything is positive. From spirituality cards, it's again like emotions, which is number 6. Work on your Venus energy, nostalgia. You are thinking about your past. You are thinking about how you used to go out in the community and have fun, how you were celebrating, and how you were eating, drinking outside, drinking the positivity from different areas of your life. But if you talk about the materialistic cards, they are saying Emperor, which is number 4, which is basically your Rahu, which is working on your number 1, which is your Mars energy. मंगल के ऊपर ये काम कर रहा है राहु, और ये एम्परर है, हार्श डिसीजंस लेता है, नंबर 1 की तरफ जा रहा है, जो आपका बेसिकली करियर के बारे में बताता है. और अगर मैं तीसरा कार्ड और निकालूँ, इट्स अबाउट टावर मूवमेंट. देखिए, आग ऑल्सो मंगल, ठीक है, ट्यूसडे मंगल. सो इट बेसिकली सेज कि अगर आप मटेरियलिस्टिक की चीज़ों के ऊपर काम करोगे, तो ये बेसिकली आपको आग की तरफ, टावर मूवमेंट की तरफ, चेंज की तरफ लेके जाएगा. देयर कुड बी भूकंप, देयर कुड बी आग, देयर कुड बी lot of lot of water coming in, and male and female will get destroyed. Destroyed means, it doesn't mean dying, it means that whatever they were thinking, that gets shattered. And here, look at the cards, they are so subtle. Okay, so this is what it is. So let's see what the keepers of light spiritual cards are telling us. So the spiritual cards from the keeper of light, so the segregation is telling us this. So it's Holy Spirit. Okay, if you are working on your emotions for your positivity, it's Holy Spirit. Like cards are light yellow, light blue. It's basically about your upper chakras. It is like expect miracles. Remember that the only love is real. Miracles will occur naturally. Spirit has your back. Spirit is always there to support you. Okay, and here if we talk about this, let's see what the keepers of light has in store for us. So let me take one card out from Keepers of Light. So it is, here you go. It's Mahavatar Babaji. So it doesn't mean it's negative, but it's working on your, it is also working on your upper chakras. But Mahavatar Babaji is basically saying soul expansion. Your consciousness is expanding. You understand the connection between all things. इन सारी चीज़ों के बीच में connection समझिए. Emperor हैं आप करियर पे फोकस करते हैं, टावर मोमेंट आता है and you go to Mahavatar Babaji. So it's a cycle. Okay, it is resonating well with the spirituality. So let's see what the Archangel Michael message is if you want to go ahead in spirituality on 28th of April 20. So here you go. So this solution is already, this situation is already resolved as per the spiritual cards. The situation is already resolved. Look at these cards, like you're working on your emotions, you are nostalgic, you are working on the areas with the spirit, which is love, and your situation is resolved. And look at this, angels are helping this kid. So basically the prayer, if you want to have, I give all my worries, cares and concern to you in exchange for true peace and always. Thank you for resolving this situation. क्या है, कोविड 2019 रिजॉल्व हो गया है. हम ये एंजल्स को बोल रहे हैं इन दी डिविनिटी परफेक्ट वे. कोविड 19 की वजह से जो इतनी डेथ हो रही है, हम चाहते हैं कि वो रिजॉल्व हो जाए. तो आई गिव ऑल माई वरीज, मैं अपनी सारी चिंताएं, अपनी सारी केयर्स और कंसर्न्स आपको देता हूँ, और उसके बदले में मैं आपसे सिर्फ शांति चाहता हूँ. थैंक यू. मैं आपको ग्रैटिट्यूड देता हूँ, मैं आपको थैंक यू देता हूँ फॉर रिजॉल्विंग दिस कोविड 2019 को पूरे वर्ल्ड से रिजॉल्व करने के लिए इन अ डिवाइनली परफेक्ट वे. सो दिस इज व्हाट द प्रेयर इज. एंड इफ यू आर मूविंग अहेड इन द मटेरियलिस्टिक गेन्स एंड योर करियर and your tower movements and all, so let's see what happens. So let's take out one prayer for your materialistic wealth, because that is also important. Okay, so here we go. Sense of humor. सो दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर के साथ रहें. बेसिकली वो कहना चाहते हैं थैंक यू फॉर हेल्पिंग मी टू सी ह्यूमर इन दिस सिचुएशन. लोगों को डंडे पड़ रहे हैं, आई एम हैप्पी, आई एम खुश. ओके, लोग उठक बैठक कर रहे हैं, आई एम हैप्पी. लोग आर क्वारंटाइंड, आई एम हैप्पी. आई एम बेसिकली लाफिंग एट इट सो दैट आई कैन लविंगली लाफ एट ह्यूमन नेचर. मुझे लोगों की ह्यूमन नेचर के बारे में खुश हो रहा हूँ कि देखो लोग किस तरह से पागल हैं. उनको बोला जा रहा है कि घर रुको, पर वो रुकते नहीं हैं. तो आई एम विलिंग टू व्यू माई एक्सपीरियंस इन अ न्यू लाइट इन ऑर्डर टू अट्रैक्ट लव एंड हीलिंग एनर्जी. मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस को एक नई लाइट में देखना चाहता हूँ, इस लाइट में देखना चाहता हूँ टू experience love and healing energy. So this is what the cards for today are. So let me take out one. Okay, so I think let me take out one more card from Keepers of Light, positive and negative, to conclude this session. So here we go. Lady Diana, focus intention. आपका जो इंटेंशन है वो ऊपर तीर मारने का होना चाहिए, तभी वो तीर ऊपर जाएगा. This is basically this card is. And what about this card? Okay, so this is this. It's all about hope. Cards are merging together. You started with the materialistic things, but look at the beauty of this card. You started with the materialistic thing, and after the tower moment, your behavior pattern is changing. It's hope, which is love and acceptance. Love is yours. Recognize your divine worth. Choose loving thoughts only. So these are the two cards. We are two ladies and two different directions. She is donating spirituality, and she is denoting basically your materialistic gain. So these are the cards if you want to see them once again. So these are cards of your spirituality, where emotions and spirit and angels are helping and supporting you. And these are the cards, if we talk about these cards, these are the cards about your materialistic growth, where after a tower moment, your situation will go from Mahavatar Babaji's to hope with sense of humor. Okay, so if you want to have a personal consultation, you can always get in touch with me. Let me share, and always I tell you that this is my number and these are my details. So let me share once again for your personal consultation. So it's my number for WhatsApp. You can share your date of birth for the holistic healing. So I take sessions, and one session is chargeable. Like I take 15,000 per session, where I do different kind of numerology, tarot, aura, and whatever is required. And after that, if after 15 days or 10 days I see the change, if some change is coming in the positive direction, then I change it. First session is basically on your aura and on your basically numerology and tarot. Second session is basically on your inner areas, like your inner power, your chakras and all. And third session is on your relationship and on your money. So this is the whole 1 month process, where I charge 15,000 per session. So that is online sessions. So I'm sharing my number. If you want to have my sessions, let me know, and you can book my sessions for the online consultations. So please do so and let me know. Thank you so much. And 28th of April 2020, what does it say? The Mars energy says, dance to the love of the life, dance to the life, enjoy life, but with a hope, with a sense of humor, and with the kind of contentment that spirit is always there to love and support you, and angels are always supporting this situation. So sharing is caring. Always share whatever you have, because sharing is always caring. Good morning.